Here I have VERNEE Mix 2, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings. Firstly you have to open your phone. Then, for example, you can select contact which you want to block. Then tap here or not. You have to tap here, then go to settings, and then go to the call blocking. Tap add number, and here you have to just enter a number which you want to block, and it will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.